my channel. You're gonna hear some noise in the background because my family's here enjoying a barbecue. We're about to jump in the pool, but I thought I would make a quick video on a small haul that I have here. This one I bought, I want to say maybe 2 weeks ago for $2.35 at Walmart. And then this beauty I got the other day. I've never seen this succulent before. Super pretty. I fell in love with it, and as it was in the cart and I was shopping around, people were telling me how beautiful it was. Let me see if I can focus here on the flowers. Look at how beautiful those flowers are. I love this one. I would like to get more in the future. Check out your Home Depot to see if they're doing the deal for $5.88. It is Friday, so normally sales stay until Sunday, and then on Monday they go back to normal. That's the normal policy. So check to see if your Home Depot is doing the $5.88, because I've seen sometimes some people buy succulents in California for $5.88, and then I never see it here on sale. So this one, like I told you guys, I am collecting the kalanchoes, the fuzzy kalanchoes. This one is a golden girl. I've never seen a golden girl before. When I get a chance, I'm gonna do a collection of all my fuzzy kalanchoes, and like that you guys can see the difference. So this is called the golden girl, and she's so pretty. I don't know how to describe her. She's got like a little cluster in the middle there, and then it just shoots out. So that one's really pretty. And I wanted to point out these really nice pots at Dollar Tree. So I was looking at Home Depot. Home Depot, their pots I believe are $2.98 for the size of a pot like this, and these are $1 obviously at Dollar Tree. I think they're super cute, and you can easily push these out, and it has 3 drain holes. So I got blue, red, and green. Super cute. And then I really like these because from far away they do look like they're terracotta, and you could remove the bottom and it has lots of drainage. So what I liked about these, if you have a house plant, you can just easily water it from here, right? But look at all that drainage in there. You just remove the bottom tray, and that's a lot of drainage for your succulents. So yeah, you guys can try these out. I do have succulents in some plastic and in some tins, and I haven't had an issue. So I don't think you guys should have an issue. So yeah, but you know, everyone's different. But I really like these, so I just wanted to give you a heads up to look for those at Dollar Tree. And that's it for my small haul, guys. I hope you enjoy your weekend, your long weekend. If you're off on Memorial Day, I hope you enjoy every moment with the family. And I'll just give you a really quick, super quick glimpse. We're eating right now, so I'm just giving you a quick glimpse at them. We're eating right now, and then we're gonna jump in the pool and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.